Model, 2008 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 110PS 280 short wheelbase, low roof spares OR repairs. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 195566. MOT, 6 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 110PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.